Assembling the anterior Rinn instrument. Be sure that you are wearing gloves for this procedure. Lay out the blue parts for the anterior instrument. Blue is the universal color for anterior film sensor holding instruments. Assemble the anterior instrument by inserting the two prongs of the blue anterior indicator arm into the openings in the blue anterior bike block. Insert the anterior indicator arm into the opening on the blue anterior aiming ring. Cover the sensor cord with a protective sleeve. Slide the sensor into position. The blue anterior instrument is correctly assembled when the film sensor is seen centered in the middle of the aiming ring.